Here's my devlog number 2. I wanted to show that I can always switch out the character and the background. And this time, I also tried out HDRP, the high definition render pipeline. This is my first time trying out HDRP. And overall, I think I like it. You can have lots of details in lighting, many post-processing effects. So graphical quality is a lot better than LWRP or the traditional 3D render pipeline. But it comes at a cost. I'm already seeing some big frame drops, lots of lag. And I don't like sacrificing performance too much. So for now, I think I'm probably going to stick with LWRP. I think HDRP is still kind of early. A lot of the assets in the asset store are still based on the legacy 3D render pipeline. So I think it's going to take time for artists to get their hands on HDRP and start coming up with things that are interesting. And what you see here, the character in the background, I bought from the Unity Asset Store. I'm going to have the links below. But before you start buying anything, note that I spent 5 to 6 hours on this scene alone. The character was already in HDRP, so I didn't have to do too much with her. But the background, I spent many hours converting every single material and every shader, every lighting over to HDRP. I also had to change lots of things here and there to come up with this look. I'm not an artist, so I'm not very good at this, but I think it's alright. Just note that creating a scene in HDRP is still pretty hard. But everything is still the same in this project, apart from the graphics. This is the exact same scene from my video number 194, and I have all the files in the links below. And I still have the attack system, as well as the AI pathfinding. We also have the animation transitions, the ledge grabs, the roll, the jumps, the turns, the slide, everything else. And I added a wall jump and lots of changes underneath. Things like physics. Ledge grabs should be a little better, a little more physical. So overall, the game mechanics have been polished a little more. And the combos should be working fine as well. It's the same code. So the graphics aren't fixed. They can be changed anytime, and I'm just trying out many different things. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.